G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal that's been split in half. It's from the main side Opalton area in central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's wetted, the white that you're seeing there's a reflection of the lights. It's the piece that's been, if I can make it fit back together. Seam here, been split in half to reveal the opal in the middle. It's mostly teal blues here. This piece has a second lot of colour over on the side here. There's a little bit of red, gold, yellows poking out. It's reasonably flat across there, so you could cut a nice stone out of that, I think. And then there's, grind that down. Might end up with like a picture stone there. Anyway, fortunately it's not a better piece, but then that is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.